Welcome again. Today I'm going to show you how to link your Instagram to your Facebook account. I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can do it. So I'll open Instagram account. So make sure you have an Instagram account if you want to link your Instagram account. So I will directly go to my business page to show you how you can easily do that. So this is my official business page, and I will click on edit profile. I will click on edit profile. Then you have to go down to pages, so you can see this profile information. This is my Facebook page. Now this is where you can connect your Facebook to your Instagram. You just click on change or create. I've already create and connect my Facebook page together. That is why it's showing like this. So if you have not connected, or if you have not do your own, you can easily do it here. Another way that you can connect your Facebook, Instagram together is to use Business Meta Suite. So let me show you what to do. When you get to your Play Store, you are going to search for Meta Business Suite. So this is another method. You are going to download this app. You are going to download this. So I'm going to this second app. You have to download this. So I'm going to show you the app now. So let me open it. Let me open it. Where is it? Oh, let me open it. This is it. So this is it. Now as we have it now, so as you can see, my business is connected together. So you can easily see now, this is my Instagram, this is my Facebook. You can see the profile picture of your Facebook. One of the benefits in this Business Meta Suite is that you can post on Instagram and Facebook at the same time. When you click on post, the post is going to work for your Facebook and Instagram at the same time. Let me try and make a post so that we can see. You can see it now. So if I want to post now, I can post to Instagram and Facebook at the same time. So I'll just click on done, write my content, and select picture that I want to use. So let me just find a picture from my gallery and post it as an example, and we are going to see the magic that is going to happen. So let me find a picture that I think I can post. So let me just post some of my product that is here. I'm selling laptop, so I'm going to post this laptop. So now I click on done. So we are going to see the product here. Now the aspect ratio of Instagram is different from Facebook. So at times your post might not go to Instagram because the aspect ratio is different, but this one will definitely go. So now just type, you just type what I want to type. Available in bulk. I'm not really typing, so I'm just using this thing for testing. So once I done, I'll click on next to publish my post. So this is one of the benefits of connecting your Instagram and Facebook together. Let me select Instagram. It's not showing because of the aspect ratio of my image. So the best place to post sometimes is that you have to use your Instagram. Once you have connect your Instagram account and Facebook together from this place. So if you want to post to your Instagram and Facebook at the same time, you can equally do it here. You can equally do it on Instagram here, like I showed earlier. So you just come to your Instagram, you come to your Instagram and click on plus, this plus icon, uh then you select your post. You select what you want to post. So I'm waiting for my gallery to load out. I have a bunch of images on my gallery, so I think that's why it's not showing. So let me say I want to post this market. I'll just click on next. I'll click on next. You can put audio. Let me just put anything. I'll just click on next. I'll mark it. Then you fill in your information, select your location. Now I'll now scroll down. You see post to Facebook. Just turn it on. Your own may be off, but you have to turn it on. So once you turn it on, you can now publish your post. So when I click on publish now, I will go to my page. You know my page is Gifted Computer. So when I go to my page on Facebook, I'm going to see the post. So that's one of the benefits of connecting your Instagram and Facebook together at a time. So when you connect it together, number one, you'll be able to post fast on your content. You'll not be going one up and down. You're able to post to Instagram and Facebook at the same time. So let me refresh now. We are going to see the laptop I just posted 1 minute ago here. So I'm going to see it now. Let me refresh. Oh, why is it not here? Okay, see it here on my Facebook here. I think it's going direct to my normal Facebook. Oh, what is going on? So you just wait for it. You wait for it. You are going to see it on your post. Let me check if this a post is even showing on our Instagram account. But that is how you can put. Okay, it has finished now on our Instagram. It's showing on my Instagram now. So definitely it's supposed to be showing. So when you refresh on your Facebook too, it's going to be showing the post. It's going to be showing the post. So it's not yet showing. So let's go. Another way you can connect your Instagram account is to come to your Facebook page. I'm just showing us how you can connect your Instagram account. Then you come to your Facebook page and click on setting. When you go to setting, you go to link account. So when you click on link account, you can link your WhatsApp, you can link your Instagram. If you have not linked any account here, you can select the account you want to link and link it up. So if you are using Business Suite on desktop, you can also connect your Instagram with this app on the desktop. They have it on desktop. When you go to your Facebook page on laptop, it's going to be showing MetaSuite, so you can connect the two together. So if you have any question on connecting your Instagram and Facebook together, let me know. Let me know. So this is the end of this video. You guys should try it out. If you have any question, let me know. I'll definitely attend to them. You are welcome. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment and share the video to your friend. The more you comment, the more you subscribe, you make this video to go fire. All right, thank you.